Welcome to Astor Court, one of the legendary buildings on the Upper West Side, known for its center courtyard, which has been lovingly landscaped as an English garden with wandering paths and secret seating areas. Ivy-covered walls and rose gardens take you far from the city to enjoy a serene setting with birds chirping where life stands still for a time, and only shareholders are able to enjoy it.
Wow, Andrew, you don't usually see an entry foyer this large in a one-bedroom.
I know, but can you believe this? Look at this walk-in closet. Wow, I love how quiet it is here. I could get lost in this view for hours looking down at the gardens.
This beautiful windowed kitchen has all top-of-the-line appliances, blonde wood cabinetry, granite counters, and mosaic tile backsplash. Even room for some wine storage.
I love the fact that this renovated bathroom is just outside the bedroom, and most important, a private washer-dryer.
You're right, Andrew. It's so quiet here in this beautiful view of the gardens. And all of these custom built-ins with that extra large walk-in closet.
Come take a look at this rare one-bedroom at Astor Court, 205 West 89th Street, apartment 9I. The co-op is pied-à-terre and pet-friendly too. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz, and we're at Brown Harris Stevens.
Give us a call or drop us an email and we'll be delighted to show you this rare one-bedroom apartment at Astor Court.
Come live where the Upper West Side has it all.